Alright guys, today it's Friday. It's beautiful. It's about 60 something degrees. Feels like spring. Everything's groovy. And I'm going to start tearing down this old fence right here. This is part of the lot project we got to do. All the way from to that corner and all the way across. All the way up. It's a long-term project. Short-term, we're going to try to get this part down through here replaced. It's the worst. See, we done had to put some boards up there to cover up a hole where the cow went through, but right now I got to get this head gate out of the way. It's a homemade head gate, and it's adjustable at the bottom where you can put it in for a calf or put it to the outer hose for a cow, just on this one side right here. And right now it's on the end position. It's also good if you get a cow that jumps through it, and we have had them try to go through and they get caught with their front feet on this side and the back feet on that side. You can take this bolt out and it'll swing wide enough where they can get out of there. So it operates just with levers, and it's a pretty simple design. It works good. I wished it was bent a little bit more, and or instead of it being straight. But anyway, we're going to move this and build a new catch pen, probably over here about where these trucks are parked at. So first thing I'm going to do is I got 4 bolts holding this in. It's just old square-headed bolts, and 2 on each side right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these bottom ones undone and these top ones undone. I'm going to take the bottom ones out, and I'm just going to hook the tractor to it and put a chain around the top there and see if we can just pick it up. I may be able to manhandle it, but I'm down here by myself. I don't want to get hurt. And then we'll do the same thing with these gates, or this gate right here. And then we'll pull this post up and this post up, and get rid of this old panel here. I'm gonna probably have to take a chainsaw to it and cut it up, but maybe not today. I don't know. We'll see. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, and I still want to get some concrete poured in the meat shop there. So I also got to replace a hay ring that's damaged sometime or other. So not today. Anyway, let me get busy. Alright guys, so I got these bottom bolts out finally. Got this almost out, but this bolt is a short bolt. See, it only just barely comes to there. So what I think I'm gonna have to do is take one of these other bolts and beat on it, or pick it up a little bit, get this bolt out, and then try to swing it around and get it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set you over here on this tripod, and I'm gonna hook the tractor up. Hopefully it'll pick up high enough to get the pressure off this thing. It's pretty heavy. Alright, sorry for the noise, but at least the sun not in there. good. So on this post here, this little chain out up there, I gotta take that loose. I won't use the tip of the spear to pick it up. I'm gonna pick it up with the base of the spear. Quite come out like I wanted to. It kind of fell. But I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. If you ever get you a chain, what do we do? Get you a chain with a slip hook in one side of it. Catch hook in the other. That way you can use a slip hook on round poles and trees and stuff. It'll tighten up as you pull it. This is good for just picking up objects. I use this while I go to pick that gate up here. This is good for poles and trees. So normally I'd go around couple of times, especially clean this before the crab goes. Come back in and loop it around the chain there, and I'm going to move this back a little in case that thing goes. I don't know how deep it is. It's deep. That pole there was in the ground about 4 foot. And that's how you set a pole, deep in the ground. Now I've got to get some dirt and fill in this hole before I break a cow leg. That one's in the ground about 3 feet and got a damn ant bed all around it. There are ants in there, I've seen them. See them on that. There's one there though. Anyway, if it was summertime, it'd probably be eating me up. And actually, that gate I pulled up here, I'm glad I used the tractor, because that joker is heavy. It's steel pipe and it's heavy. So now, I try to save these gate hinges, and I'll just take a crescent wrench and try to unscrew them if I can. And this post, I don't think it's no good, but that other post is good. We'll save it and use it for a corner post or a fence post somewhere. Now, building the fence, this post is still pretty solid, and them 2 posts are rotten. And that post feels pretty solid right here. So it's got poison ivy growing all over it, but we'll get rid of that. So anyway, guys, keep you posted. I don't know how much more I'm going to do today. I'm going to try to go ahead and get these hinges off. And try to save the hinge off of this old corral panel here. Actually, I had to use a metal gate because we had a bull that went through here one day. Took the fence with him. So we had this old gate. It ain't worth a flip for nothing. It's rotting, falling apart. So we put it here. Of course, this post, it is shot. So that post ain't even in the ground. It's just sitting there. You can see it sitting there on top of the ground. I think pretty much. So we want to set a new post here, a new post somewhere in here. Depending on how many feet this is, I hadn't really measured it. We'll probably go 8 and 8. Put some new planks up, and we'll start down this way. Thanks for watching.